All right, this is King Gator here. We're gonna have an Arby's commercial.
Arby's, we have
All dogs go to heaven. All dogs go to heaven movie wasn't supposed to be at Arby's. That movie is for Tony Proctor's daughter Katie and Anna Reeve, who was known for voicing Miss Piggy. That was Charlie Chicken and you can't keep a good dog still, but he got sent to heaven after the actor then it's that exclusive annual named in the sequel Corlie and then Anne Marie. What the knew it was she was the voice of her. But
She's
why
eating
is
the
she
waffle.
It took Burt Reynolds 63 takes to record that finale scene. King Gator was also there and the tasty New Orleans guy named Gumbo quote was just a meme and then sings let's make music together ANFT sings with Carface and King Gator just deferred him. Rest in peace Burt Reynolds, Judith Bashi, Vic Tayback, James Nelson, Riley, Dom DeLuisa and Ken Page.
Ken Page.
Drunk again, and I'll have to call the manager.
we have
All dogs go to heaven.
Why do you keep saying that Arby's hot?
Твой image does not support. Yellow face has been spotted outside.
Oh, you look like a tasty New Orleans canine.
The Bon Scott.
The most-